I see this on new and used cars. New car dealers typically call this dealer prep. Used car dealers typically call this reconditioning fees. They don't tell you that they're on the website. They don't tell you anything about it. They do it when you get to the showroom, and that's another reason why you don't negotiate on the showroom floor. You negotiate at home or your work or whatever the case may be. It's a totally different video, so make sure you subscribe. But dealer prep fees, they're typically putting those on new cars to say, hey, we cleaned it up, we're filling it with the gas, we're blah, 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 whatever. It's all BS, whatever they tell you. And because all of those PDIs and fees and stuff like that, including the gas, is reimbursed by the manufacturer that they represent. On reconditioning fees, you can see behind me as I'm a used car dealership, when I buy these cars or a new car dealer has a trade-in or I have a trade-in, we have to recondition them before sale. That's just part of the process. That is why we have a wholesale value and a retail value on used cars. And when we have to trade something in or we buy something at auction, we just have to eat that cost. But dealerships are out there trying to get you to pay for that. And I've seen some dealers say, hey, listen, this is the price, and if you want it reconditioned, it's $3,000, and they won't let you out of that. Don't pay for reconditioning fees, and if a dealership refuses to change the oil, clean the car prior to you seeing it or taking delivery of it, don't do business with them, because there's probably some hidden underlying issues, especially in the used car market.